Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to limit hotspot users on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, limiting the number of users connected to your hotspot help enhance network security by reducing the risk of unauthorized access or potential security breaches. So, by restricting the number of users, you can better control who has access to your network. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the settings on your device. So, find the hotspot and connection option. Okay, and here, please select Personal Hotspot, where you can click on Connection Management. Okay, after that, choose the option for maximum number of connected devices. After that, select the limit you want to set for the hotspot connection settings on your device, ranging from 1 to 10 devices. By following these steps, you can set a limit on the number of devices that can connect to your hotspot at the same time, ranging from 1 to 10 devices. This feature allows you to control and restrict the number of devices accessing your hotspot, ensuring efficient and secure sharing of your device internet connections. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to limit hotspot users on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.